Hi friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of Legal Legends of India. In the present episode, we will be discussing a most interesting personality of the legal profession, and that is C.K. Daphtary. He was affectionately called as C.K. or Chandubhai. He was born on 1st of April 1893. It was a Hanuman Jayanti as per the Hindu calendar. At his early age, he went with his uncle to England and he had his entire education in England. He was called to bar from Lincoln's Inn. He returned to India and then he joined the chambers of famous lawyer J.D. in Variety. From him, he took several lessons as to how the profession should be done. Mr. Daphtary was a very interesting personality in India. He was Advocate General of Bombay. He was the first Solicitor General of India. He was also Attorney General of India. He had a philosophy that it is better to think more about a case rather than reading the brief. He always thought that an advocate should anticipate what would come to him when he is going to argue before the court, and accordingly he should make himself prepared for that. The famous bug incidents, which is even told today, it has happened with C.K. Daphtary. It was Chandubhai who was arguing the matter, and a book was passed on to the court wherein the judge remarked, "There is a bug in the book," and Chandubhai humorously said, "Sir, I really admire the courage of this bug. It has travelled from bar to bench." Accordingly, there are various incidences. One such incident is, he was sitting in a court waiting for his turn. Before him, a young lawyer was arguing the matter. The order was passed and the young lawyer said, "Sir, your lordship cannot pass this kind of an order." The judge took it very offensively, and then he asked C.K. Daphtary, "What should be done? What action should I take?" On asking this, Chandubhai turned to the junior lawyer and told him, "If you had been in the bar as long as I have been, you will never be surprised at anything this lordship does." And the matter was thus settled over there. One of the great contributions of Chandubhai is the constitution of Supreme Court bench in ADM Jabalpur matter. Initially, A.N. Ray wanted to constitute a bench with junior judges. Chandubhai went to the chambers of A.N. Ray and told him that this is a very serious matter and you have to constitute a bench of senior judges only. A.N. Ray was annoyed and told him, "Do you mean to say that henceforth the bar will dominate what kind of a bench we should constitute?" Chandubhai told him very softly that, "Your lordship, this is not the question of an insult," and furthermore told him that this has already happened when S.R. Das was Chief Justice of India. And finally, because of this, A.N. Ray constituted a bench of judges who were seniors. There is also one more funny incident. When Chandubhai was arguing a case before Chief Justice of India, P.B. Gajendra Gadkar. As he rose, suddenly the light went off. CJI Gadkar jokingly said, "Look, Mr. Chandubai, where have you taken the profession?" Immediately after some time, the light flickered, and the first light flickered on the table lamp which was on the desk of the CJI. Chandubai answered, "Your Lordship can see, the light has come where it is more needed." So that was Chandubai, a person, a personality. He appeared in international courts. He always carried a principle that you should make yourself comfortable in court, concentrate on your briefs, think more of your cases. There are n number of incidences of Chandubai. It is said that you go to any court when he was practicing, right from Supreme Court to any High Court in India, there will not be a single court which will not have an humorous incidents of Chandubai. Team Hammurabi Tablet salutes him.